It's right. Images on your screens right now are from Delhi. The protesters continue to camp there for more than
देखिए
an
हमें ईरान
hour
से
and a
बताया गया,
half.
इराक से भगाया
Shivani, for over an hour and a half, these are protesters who continue to, in fact, sit there and they are protesting, many of them, of course, burning effigies. They've not been removed from there. These are protests just a few meters away from the Bangladesh High Commission, isn't it? It's been an hour and a half plus.
Sneha, it's been more than 1 hour, and they've started at around 11. It's been 1 hour and 45 minutes roughly. They have been stopped and contained at an area which is around 800 meters away from the Bangladesh High Commission. The police has stopped them here. They crossed one layer of barricade. They are mounting on the barricades. There's a lot of anger in them. They want to gherao the Bangladesh High Commission to ask for justice from the Bangladesh's interim government against whatever is happening on ground. But certainly, it's over an hour and 45 minutes now, Sneha, since when they have been stopped here. They are not ready to budge. They are sitting here. They are trying to mount on these barricades that have been placed to stop them by the police. They are chanting Jai Shri Ram, and they are carrying their placards in hand which say that Bangladeshi Hinduओं पर अत्याचार नहीं करेंगे हम स्वीकार. तो अब now they are on ground to ask for action, and that seems to be the test of their patience. That's what they say, because for a number of months now we've been seeing the similar incidents inside Bangladesh. The police here is now telling the media to go back, because now it's been more than 1 hour and 45 minutes. These people have been stopped here. It seems that now police will be detaining them and placing them in the buses that have been brought here to take these protesters. There are hundreds of protesters who've been here on this protest since more than 1 hour and 45 minutes. So the situation now remains quite grim. Now they are again breaking this layer of barricade. They are trying to come ahead of this barricade. They are breaking these barricades. They are using their force. They have again broken the barricade. You can see this action out here in this protest, where the police has now police is stopping them, but they are now breaking the barricades to move ahead further towards the Bangladesh High Commission. So this is dramatic picture which is emerging here from this protest, Sneha. You see these people are now breaking these barricades to move ahead. So this is, we can say, the second layer of barricade that is now being attempted to be broken by these protesters. So police and paramilitary forces, they are now using force on these protesters to stop them. These barricades are being pushed by the protesters, and these protesters demand action. We see them trying to move ahead towards the police, where the police and the paramilitary forces have been present. So we see these protesters moving ahead towards the Bangladesh High Commission. Sneha, we see these visuals where these people are now pushing the paramilitary forces and also the staff of the police which is present out here. They are trying to move ahead in this protest, in this outrage, where they have been demanding for some action against the atrocities in Bangladesh against the Hindus. Now we see they are being pushed. They are being pushed, and now we are seeing that how these protesters now trying to move further towards the barricaded area, towards these buses, and they are moving further. We are trying to get you these pictures where these protesters are trying to move ahead further, breaking the barricades, moving across the barricades that were placed. And now the police and the paramilitary forces have been stopping them. They were holding them for more than 1 hour and 45 minutes at this particular location, but now they are being detained in the buses which were placed here. You can see they are being detained here in these buses which have been placed here. And this protest against the Hindu minority atrocities in Bangladesh is now being dispersed. The protesters are now being taken into the buses. They are being detained here. They are being dispersed out here in this area. The police, which had already placed these buses in this area, they are now taking them, detaining them and making them sit in the buses so that they can be taken away from this location. This remains a very sensitive area with a number of embassies around, not only the Bangladesh High Commission, but a lot of embassies are there in this particular location. This is a high security zone in the national capital where we see these people are now being detained. They are being taken inside the buses and they have been asking for action. They've been seeking action by the Bangladesh High Commission, by the Bangladesh authorities, and that's why they wanted to march towards the Bangladesh High Commission. And it's been for over 1 hour and 50 minutes now. The protests started at around 11 a.m. The police and the paramilitary forces have been placed since morning in this area. There is heavy deployment of police forces, heavy deployment of the paramilitary forces, the CRPF Jawans, who've been standing here, containing them, stopping them. And we see how these people are now being moved away in the buses as they were breaking the barricades. Now they are pushing the glasses of these buses. They are trying to break them and they want to speak out. They want to say and they want to raise the voice of people in Bangladesh. So there is a lot of anger. It's very visible in these visuals, in these protests, in these slogans that are being raised, in these placards that have been put out by these people of Vishwa Hindu Parishad and Bajrang Dal. So now they are being detained. They have broken the barricade layer. Few people though remain inside the barricade still. We see them with their flags in hands. They are holding tricolors. They are holding Bajrang Dal flags. They are holding placards. So all these people, they are now trying to move ahead of this barricade, and the number of people who try to move ahead of this barricade have been now put inside these buses, and they will be moved shortly at a different place from this location. So this is how we see visuals emerging from this area, which is around 800 meters from the Bangladesh High Commission. Sneha, the security remains at place in the Bangladesh High Commission, outside the Bangladesh High Commission, with multiple barricade layers there too, with multiple deployments of policemen and the paramilitary forces in that area too. But here we see that these protesters, they have been now taken into detention. They are now in the buses and now they are being moved away from this protest location. So this protest, although continues, we can see hundreds of protesters still there behind the barricade. They are holding their banners, they are raising their slogans, they are asking for justice, they are seeking justice inside Bangladesh against the atrocities against minorities out there. But the scenes out here are quite dramatic, Sneha. Not only in the national capital.
उनकी बातचीत फिलहाल दिल्ली पुलिस से हो रही है, वो ये आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं, इस बैरिकेड को क्रॉस करना चाहते हैं। भाई साहब, क्या बात हुई आपकी दिल्ली पुलिस से? आपकी दिल्ली पुलिस से क्या बात हुई है फिलहाल?
क्या दिल्ली पुलिस से क्या
बात हुई है आपकी? आप आगे आना चाहते हैं?
बात क्या हुई है? हम अपनी आवाज पहुंचाना चाहते हैं, ये हमारे को हमारी आवाज भी पहुंचाने नहीं दे रहे। हम किसी के साथ कोई गलत थोड़ी कर रहे हैं। हम तो इस गूंगी बहरी सरकार जो यहाँ बांग्लादेशी एम्बेसी वाले हैं, उनको अपनी आवाज पहुंचाना चाहते हैं कि भाई हमारे हिंदू बहन भाइयों के साथ वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है। ये लोग हमारी सरकार होने के बाद हमारे साथ ही नहीं दे रहे, हमारे भाइयों को बसों में भर रहे हैं। भरो, हमें भी भरो।
आप लोग कब तक यहाँ पर रहेंगे? कब तक यहाँ पर रहेंगे? आप कब तक रहेंगे यहाँ पर?
क्या
कब तक रहेंगे यहाँ पर?
अरे भाई साहब, जब तक हमारी आवाज नहीं अंदर जाएगी तब तक रहेंगे यहाँ पर। ये वो बजरंगी है, लाठी गोली खाई थी, मंदिर वहीं बनाया, ये वही बजरंगी है। ये हमारे को अपने यहाँ ना रुद्र रूप पे आने पे मजबूर कर रहे हैं लोग। हमारे बजरंगियों को बस में डाल के हमारे को रुद्र रूप आने पे मजबूर कर रहे हैं लोग।
आक्रोशित यहाँ पर जो विश्व हिंदू परिषद के कार्यकर्ता है, उनका ये मानना है कि ये बैरिकेड का जो रास्ता है वो अब खोल दिया जाए और जो कार्यकर्ता हैं बीएचपी के, बजरंग दल के, उनको जो है अब यहाँ से आगे बांग्लादेश हाई कमीशन की तरफ जाने का रास्ता दिया जाए। ये मांग जरूर यहाँ पर कार्यकर्ताओं की